Us is a no matter where you go.
A patty is a patty. That's what I say.
Is a this is surely so.
And fries should be fries either way.
But this is not a home. This is not the I know.
I would trade it all away if you'd come back to stay. This kitchen's not the same.